Hello everyone, I am Purnika. Welcome to Sai Mehta Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad and Space Engineering Academy. In this video, we are going to see about the recruitment which is done by RITES Limited, a Government of India enterprise. First thing, the post name is Construction Manager Civil and the number of vacancies are 4. The minimum qualification is Bachelor's degree in Civil Engineering. The minimum post-qualification work experience is 15 years. Next, the payment for services is 1,30,000. The age limit should not exceed 62 years. Next, the second qualification or the second category is Field Engineer Civil and the minimum number of posts are 8. The minimum education qualifications are Bachelor degree or Diploma in Civil Engineering. Minimum post-qualification work experience for degree holder it is 12 years and for diploma holder it is 15 years. Payment for these services is 90,000 and your age limit should not be exceeding 62 years. The third category is Construction Supervisor Civil and the number of posts are only 4. The minimum education qualification is Bachelor's degree or Diploma in Civil Engineering. Minimum post-qualification work experience for degree holder it is 10 years and for diploma holder it is 12 years. And the payment for services is 60,000 and your age limit should not be exceeding 62 years. The last category is the Equipment Planning Expert. The number of positions is only 1 and the minimum education qualification is graduate in engineering in the fields of electronics or instrumentation or biomedical. The minimum post-qualification work experience is minimum 10 years experience in the field of medical or health sector. And the payment for services is 2,55,000 and your age limit should not be exceeding 62 years. The mode of selection is through interview only. So the applications which you have submitted, they have all rights to shortlist them and you will be called for an interview. So the management reserves the rights to cancel or restrict or enlarge or modify, alter the selection or engagement process at any stage without issuing any notice or assigning any reason thereafter. The candidate-wide selection schedule of selection process shall be updated on the RITES website. The commencement of submission of online application has already started on 11th of November and the last date for submission of online application is 8th December till 11 p.m. And the venue of date of interview is RITES Cooperative Office, Gurugram and RITES Project Unit Office, Dispur, or through video conference or online. Link will be shared to candidates on the register mail ID or official group chat. And the interview will be conducted from 10th December to 12th December. For more such job notifications, do subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more updates. If you have any queries, please feel free to comment in our comment section and do like our video. This PDF is posted on our Telegram channel. Thank you.